Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present you a new website. It's called Web Hosting Pad. So like usual, let me give you a short idea about this website. The Web Hosting Pad is a web hosting provider that offers hosting services for individuals and small businesses. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Web Hosting Pad, and this is the results I got after my searches. Searches. This one, the web hosting pad. So now this is the present page. We have here some plans with different prices and get started. So if you have already an account, you will just log in over here. If this is the first time, we need to get started by choosing a plan. This one, Power Plan or Power Plan Plus. And this is the different services that they present to you in each plan from this. So let's try with this one, get started. So we need to go to get order now. And then start creating the account. The first step is the product selection, Power Plan, and then the hosting. Register a new domain, or you will transfer your domain from another register, or you will just use your existing domain and update your name server. So if this is the first time to create a new domain, you will create it from here. It needs to be valuable, okay? You will just go to Google and try to select one from the domains there. I will just use an existing domain. I have already one. Like you see, this is my domain, and click continue and wait for a moment. So the second step is that we need to choose a billing cycle, like you see over here, with different prices. It's independent how you can pay in the month or the year or whatever you want. Okay, let's end the first one and click on continue. So the shared hosting in this website primarily focuses on shared hosting plans. Shared hosting allows multiple websites to share resources on a single server, making it a cost-effective option for smaller websites. Okay, we have now some other information about your address and others. This step is the review and the checkout. The first name, like usual, the last name, your company name. Can I just choose one from here? Your email address. Then you need to choose a password. So when this has become all that are green, so your password is available. Okay. Now we need to write the address over here, and the second address, your city, and you can select the region from over here, and zip code or the postal code, and the country you will just select it. And after that, your phone number, and be careful, this information should be correct and valuable, okay, because they will check it out later. You need here to confirm your password. That means rewrite your password over here for the second time. We have here some information about the payment method. You want to pay by credit card or by PayPal or by Bitcoin or Alipay, and your card card number, you will find this front of the card. It's contained in 40 or 50 numbers. And the expiry date, you will find here the month and the year. And the CVV or the CVC number, you will find it behind the card, the last 3 numbers. If you don't know how to find it, you will just click on here. Where do I find this? Okay. Then you will read all these terms of services over here to know how it works and all the privacy policy. And then you will click on that you have read and agree to the terms and surveys above, excuse me. And then you will just check out. I cannot check out because you see here there is a lot of information I didn't enter, but this is the last step. You will just check out, and after you will start using this website easily. So let's come back to the present page to know more information about this website. So here we find different information about this website, like home, and this is the home, and store over here, announcement, knowledge base, network status, contact us if you have any question or problem or issue. You just need to contact them and they will answer you, because they provide over-the-clock customer support to assist you with any hosting-related issue or questions. Support can be accessed through various channels like live chat, phone, and support tickets. And you can refer a friend, and you will find your account over here. And now there is something you need to know about this website is that the free domain. So the web hosting offers path offers a free domain name registration or transfer when you sign up for their hosting services. This allows you to have a personalized web address for your website without additional costs. And also the unlimited hosting. The web hosting path provides unlimited disk space and bandwidth with their hosting plans. This means you have ample storage for your website files and can handle a good amount of website traffic without worrying about resource limitation. And about the websites over here and account. The web hosting path includes a website builder tool that allows you to create and design your websites easily, even if you have little or no coding experience. It provides templates and a drag and drop interface for customization. And we have here that get support, like I said before. They have service for over around the clock. Yeah, it's very easy to use and practical. So please, if you understand me, follow for more and subscribe like usual. So bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you still with good health.